Hey, Joe Proto here with one of the keys to understanding acceptance. A good place to begin is don't take anything personally. Nothing others do is because of you. What others say and do is a projection of their own reality, their own dream. When you are immune to the opinions and actions of others, you won't be the victim of needless suffering. Acceptance of others, their looks, their behaviors, their beliefs, brings you an inner peace and tranquility instead of anger and resentment. So remember, acceptance doesn't require your agreement or approval. There are three kinds of business in the world: my business, your business, and God's business. And if it's not my business, it's none of my business. Not everything needs your reaction. Learn to live and let live. In an often over opinionated world, remember your problems will be cut in half just by minding your own business. Enjoy the day.